Hi, I'm Chuck Bertone. I'm the Executive Director of SPT, also known as the Society of Photo Technologists. SPT is an organization of both independent and what used to be larger shops. So we're a worldwide organization, techs and businesses, things along that line. Well, I've been a part of SPT for many, many years. I think since '76 or something like that. And then I became the regional president of the local chapter. We used to actually have chapters all over the country and a few places around the world. And then in the year 2000, I was asked by Jim Amos to be a white knight and help save SPT. And so I just took it over as part of a duty, really. We have a central library so people can access part lists and stuff like that. And also it's kind of like a hive mind kind of thing. So we have SPT.net, which shares information between all the techs around the world. We actually developed our own software for Canon products. We write our own code. We run it up against factory software and come out better than theirs. We offer it to independent shops because we want them to stay in business. This is about the best way I could think of to help pump money into the field. I just want to keep it going. I want the people in the field to make a living. My motivation is to feed the independent repair facilities. I do believe in the right to repair. I do believe that we're being pushed out by manufacturers who want monopolies, and I believe it's not good for the public.